Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your weapon color or your weapon layout. Firstly, you have to click the loadout button at the bottom. As you can see, this is your avatar page. Currently I'm using M16 rifle or weapon. Click the M16 or weapon that you use in the game. Click, this is the weapon that I use in the game, M16. So click the gunsmith button. As you can see, there is many options here. So you have to click at the bottom the Camo button. There is a 6 option, but currently only one that I unlocked. This is the sand color. So the more you play, the more your level up. So I'm using the first camo or the first color. So there are more skin or color you have to unlock. So you have to play more and leveling up to unlock the other color. So I'm equipped the first color of the sand. Click the equip button at the bottom. Finish. As you can see, the colors change. So we are going to the gameplay. This is the gameplay. As you can see, my weapon changed its color. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also hit the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.